Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, let's move on to our EA for the day. Bushido EA. This is a USD Japanese yen only expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. Currently sitting at 49 bucks. That's its introductory price. And the developer Yuki Mizuno, as you can tell already from Japan, is calling it a portfolio system built from the Origin U project. And they are leaning hard into the long-term stability angle. So what actually powers this thing? According to the seller, they are very clear. 4 independent strategies running together inside one EA. First is a trend model that looks for directional moves. Second is Tokyo range break, basically looking for breakouts out of the Tokyo session range. Third is the fade model, which is built around the Tokyo fix, that's 9:55 to 10 Japan time window, where a lot of institutional orders hit. And fourth is the New York continuation, which tries to ride moves that keep going in the New York session. I dey stress repeatedly that none of this model uses martingale, averaging down, or grid trading, and position size never increases after a loss. Instead, lots are calculated automatically from your account balance and the risk level you pick. The whole system is designed to be time frame independent. You can drop it on any chart and it still runs the same logic. They also built in a Japanese holiday skip for the fade model, so it doesn't try to trade the fix on days when the banks are closed. And the big marketing numbers are the ones you are probably already seeing on the main page. 19 consecutive profitable years on roughly 19 years of real tick data. Average annual return around 12.7% on the default risk setting, and maximum drawdown roughly 5.2%. They even ran 20,000 Monte Carlo simulations and say the chance of hitting the permanent 18% equity stop on default risk is only about 1.85%. 1.35%, not 1.85, as you can see here. Medium risk bumps the return up to 16%. With a 6.4% drawdown and a high risk they don't actually recommend because the permanent stop gets triggered more often. Now on the risk management side, they're pretty vocal. Automatic position sizing, as I said earlier, a hard daily loss break at 6% of the day's starting equity, and a permanent stop at 18% equity drawdown from peak. Those are the claim from the product page straight and the user guide with the recommended environment, hedging accounts, preferably New York close server time, GMT +2 or +3 with daylight saving, spreads of 1 pip or less, and at least 2,000 to $4,000, so the lot sizing works the way they intended. Now those are everything. 4 session aware modes, no dangerous money management, a long backtest from the end with low drawdown, and some hard risk break. But let's look at what actually showed up when I ran it myself. Yeah, I ran it on the USD Japanese yen as suggested, on the M30 time frame with every tick based on real tick model. A $10K starting deposit, 1 is to 25 leverage as they recommend, and my backtest results show the 150 net profit, down from gross profit of 4,444 or 4,445 approximately, and the gross loss of 4,295. Now, our profit factor came in at around 1.03. The recovery factor of 0.33, which matches the claim. Our equity came in around 4.26 for balance and 4.45 for relative equity. Our drawdown for balance was at 4.26. Excuse me. Now, if you look in deeper to our average winner and average loser, we see that it came in around 14.38, higher than the average loss at 13.81, with the largest profit $112, higher than the largest loss at $104. Now going over to the equity curve. Let's go over to the equity curve and I'll show you how it looks. See, we start at 10,000 deposits. Well, it starts with a bit of a dip in the first couple of months. You can see here, even to October. We had our greatest for October 2025, and then it steadily climbed with a bit small dips and peaks a little over 10,500, as you can see here. After that, it mostly chopped sideways with a full $300 to $400 pullbacks. You can see the deposit load stays pretty light the whole time, never really loading the account hard. At 25%. History quality was 100%. You can see here. And we had almost 3 million ticks. So the data quality was solid. Now compared to the developer's 19-year 12.7% annual with 5% max drawdown, this 1-year sample is a lot quieter. And that is not unusual for a multi-model system that only fires when all the conditions line up. Some years it's going to look almost flat. The drawdown numbers in my test stayed inside the historical range, which is at least consistent, but the return is obviously far below the long-term average they're advertising. Honestly, the thing is, this AA looks like a low-edge, low-frequency portfolio rather than a high-octane scalper. Chances quality for stretches, and when the Tokyo fix or the session transitions aren't giving clean setups, the equity just drifts. A permanent 18% stop and daily 6% breaker are the real safety features, but they don't stop you from eating a series of small losses when the market is dead. Now, broker conditions matter a lot here. As long as server time breaks the Tokyo logic, and anything wider than zero point 0.7 to 1 pimp all in starts eating the fade edge. Now, if you're wondering who is this for, it's for traders who already understand USD Japanese yen session behavior, can run a proper hedging account on a New York closed broker, and are comfortable with the idea of slow multi-year growth rather than quick recovery. If you need constant action or high win rate dopamine, this probably isn't it. If you are looking for one small relative calm piece inside a bigger portfolio and you are willing to let it run for years, then the numbers at least make sense on paper. Now, everything I just showed you is historical performance only, as past results never guarantee future ones. Market changes, spreads change, and what worked on 19 years of Dukascopy ticks can look different on your life broker. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free robot with the indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching and trade safe.